What's up, guys? Welcome back to Asafa Sub-10 Cars. So since the hurricane, I decided to, kind of put all of the car stuff on pause because I just can't, it doesn't sit well with me to see how people are struggling right now. Hurricane Melissa came and, trust me, did some real damage. I would say almost 70% of Jamaica right now is without a home, light, water, without even access. It's hard to access that side of Jamaica. So I've decided to kind of pause, on the car stuff from now. I wasn't affected, I can come down here, work on the cars and all that stuff, but, I want to help, I want to try and help the best way I can, with food, providing food, for these people and, maybe, as we go, help to build back their homes and all that stuff. So, been working tirelessly, so tired. And what's crazy is that on this side, life goes on, my kids are back in school, Kingston is operating normally, but to go that side and see what is going on, is very heartbreaking. And, I've been working, gathering stuff, gathering items to deliver. Yesterday we made our first delivery, and we are planning to, do another delivery and go deeper and deeper, into the more affected areas. We just touched the surface yesterday, just to assist, and then, like I said, we're gonna go deeper and deeper, and we're trying to put together a lot more items. We're here packing, even my shovel, we have flour, rice on the top of it, we pack up stuff, on it. The 190E, we pack stuff on it, we've just been packing all the dirty, wow, and I just haven't been able to clean it. That's not important right now, to clean my yard. I haven't, since the hurricane, I haven't touched my yard, a few trees dropped down, a few banana trees dropped down, a lot of leaves in the yard, grass growing up and all that stuff, but that's not important right now. We'll leave that for another time, but I'm focused on, gathering more items, and a lot of people want to help, and I will find a way to, have you guys help and all that. Alicia is actually creating a GoFundMe, and my foundation is not registered, so I cannot receive money on the foundation side. So we're creating a GoFundMe, and we're gonna present people with receipts. You guys, I'm so afraid of doing these things. Even with the foundation, I'm so afraid because I don't want people to think, we're taking their money and all that stuff. So I'd rather to do stuff with my own money. I just take my money, and do stuff, Noah Elias and Janelle Broomfield reach out to me to partner up, to do this first one, and they're gonna partner up to do all the other ones that we're gonna do. So we want to touch, Westmoreland, Montego Bay, chill everywhere. Everywhere. Yesterday I saw a woman, roof gone, windows gone, and the amount of mud in the house, and her attire was so dirty, so muddy. You can see that she has no clothes. Even when you look on the line, everything is just so muddy, and trust me, it's very sad to see, very sad to see. And when you see stuff like that, you just can't stay still. It doesn't sit well with you, So I came down this morning to look through whatever I've left, and then we're gonna do some more shopping, and it will take a lot of money and a lot of time, but like I said, we're helping people. So I wouldn't want to be in that position. I couldn't imagine losing everything, losing my house, cars, everything. And this is a car channel, but I have to share this with you. Because it's a human side of it as well. So I'm working to try and figure this out. I will try my best to see if I can, do something on the cars. because, you know, we have to keep the channel going as well. But, you know, I will definitely share, you know what I mean, some of what I'm doing with you guys. You know, my car just have to take a back seat, you know, for now, you know, but like I said, I will try to do something with cars on the channel. And guys, just like and subscribe, because even that will help also, you know what I mean? You like, the channel grow, you know, can get more income, can help more people. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe I can record the drive, you know what I mean, the police escort, you know, all of that stuff to share with you guys. Even when I was doing this, you know, at Price Mart, I did some shopping and all that stuff, got some items, and got back out to my car only to find somebody hit my car and didn't stop. But, you know, I contacted the supermarket itself, and we're getting all the information, and we're gonna take action, because I don't understand you can hit somebody's car and you don't stop. They don't even leave a note or nothing. But the security was trying to stop them, but they didn't stop. And security got the license plate number. But also, you know, cameras are everywhere nowadays, so there's no way you can hide, there's nothing. So I'm gonna take action. We have to go to the dealer to fix this for sure. You know what I mean? Normally I would fix this, you know, on my own, but now we have to go to the dealer, because I don't understand how you can hit somebody's car and not stop. You know what I mean? You cannot spoil somebody's day just like that. You know, and like I said, I'm out doing a good deed, you know, trying to help people and all that stuff, and this is what other people are out doing.